Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can upload a custom font on your canva.com. So first of all, you need to go on canva.com, and once you visit there you need to create an account. And once you completely create your account, now you will face this kind of interface in front of your desktop. So now visit on that place and you need to find out where is the brand option. You will find out this brand option in the left corner from next to the template. So you can see this is the option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, there have two options further, that brand kits and brand templates. Just you need to go over there and please click here and go ahead. Once you click here, you can see we can upload our logos here. We can change our color plates, then we can change our colors too. We can also change our title, and we can add a new font over here. In the right corner you can see this add new button. Just click over here. Once you click over here, if you purchase the premium plan, then they will give you the option to upload. Right now I don't have any premium plan, so I am not able to upload a font over there. So this is really simple process. If you never do it, after watching the video you can do it. Actually you just need to do it, follow the rules I did give you. So I hope you will find out this video helpful. If you think this video might help you, then actually don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the thumbs up button, and I will catch you in the next video.